Hello everyone and welcome to question 34 from 2019 HSC Standard Maths exam. This question came from the topic of linear relationships. So let's go to linear relationship over here, and this was question type 2 from linear equations. Let's open this. So 2019 question 34. So you're given a chart that's showing the relationship between British pound and Australian dollars. So what it's saying is that for every Aussie dollar, how many British pound you're going to get. There's a point over here. It's essentially telling you that if you give 7 Aussie dollars, you're going to get 4 pounds, and so on. You can read any value on this line. Then the question is asking the direct variation between British pound. You need to write the equation of the line basically, and you can leave m as a fraction. So basically, p is pound, d is dollar. So they want you to write this equation in this form. And then in the second part, you're given a relationship between Japanese yen and Aussie dollars, and you're asked to convert Japanese yen to British pound. So it's a relationship of using two-step process that you need to do. We'll do one by one. You'll know what I mean. We got a question here. For the first part, P is equal to MD, right? So P is equal to M times D. You're already given this point. D is 7 over here. P is 4. So P is 4. M times D is 7. So the value of M is 4 divided by 7. So bring this down. So you can write this equation like this. P is equal to 4 over 7D. That would be the answer for part A. For part B, what's asking you is how many, this 96,100 yen, how much would they convert to pound? We'll do it step by step. First, we can't directly go from here to there. So first we'll do is these yen, how much are they valued in Aussie dollars? So you know this is the relationship between dollar and yen. So plug in 93,100 is equal to 76D. Work out how many dollars that comes out to be. And that comes out to be $1,225. Once you've worked this out, now use this relationship, this one, to work out how much pounds is it worth. So pound would be 4 divided by 7 multiplied by 1225. And in terms of pound, this would be 700 pounds. And that's the answer.